Guys, welcome back. Today I have the Japanese style egg salad from 7-Eleven. Is it risky to eat an egg salad sandwich from a gas station? Hell yeah, it is. But we're gonna give it a try. Because why not? It's been a while since I did a video, right? The bread's thick. I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm a little underwhelmed. I mean, I don't know what's the difference between like a Japanese egg salad sandwich and one from America, but this just tastes like a regular egg salad sandwich. Yeah, I don't get the hype. Honestly, I really don't. I can make a better one at home. Yeah, I don't get the hype, to be completely honest. I will eat it because I spent $4 on the sandwich. And I hate wasting food. But I don't know. It's but new exciting things in my life. I'm officially moving. So that's why I've been pretty absent lately. However, who is honking like that? However, once we're officially moved, I have new content planned and I'm excited. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm done with the sandwich. I'm kind of over it. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and I will see you in my next video.